Aloha everyone! Welcome to part 3 of the Building Modules and Topics walkthrough. In this video, we will learn about using Quicklinks, accordions, and checklists. Quicklinks. In the last video, Helen showed you how to use the Insert Stuff and Insert Other features in the Brightspace editor. Let's introduce Insert Quicklinks, another Brightspace editor feature. Insert Quicklinks is represented by the link icon, and it allows you to insert a link on a web page, which will direct students to course content that is created in Lamaku or from external sites or third-party tools like Google Drive. When you select the Insert Quick Link button, a pop-up window will appear with a list of options that are divided into two categories: course materials and third-party. For course materials, there are a variety of tools and pages you can link to, including learning assessment tools and individual topic pages under content. We encourage you to explore this quick link list to discover all the ways you can use the feature. Quick links are useful because they seamlessly connect different parts of your course, making navigation easier for students. For example, I have this module overview page that includes the module description and learning outcomes, but I also want to alert my students to the fact that they have several assignments due this week, including a reflection assignment. I can definitely add an assignment topic to my module, and my students can access the assignment from the module page or table of contents, or assignments tool. I can also use the Insert Quick Link feature to add a direct link to the assignment on this overview web page as an additional reminder of what students need to accomplish in this module. I'll select Insert Quick Link, then select Assignments, and then select Reflection Assignment from the assignments list. A link will appear on my web page. From the student view, I can click on that link and it will take me directly to the assignment page. Just a reminder, quick links can be used anywhere the Brightspace editor is available in Lamaku, so there are many opportunities to implement quick links. For example, I am assessing discussion thread submissions from a student, and the feedback I'm providing references a past lesson. In the feedback field, which uses the Brightspace editor, I can select Insert Quick Link, select Content, and navigate to the module and topic that I want the student to go back and review based on their performance. The quick link helps me craft specific feedback for the student based on their needs. There are many different ways to use quick links, and we hope you try them out in your course. Accordions. An accordion is a collapsible content element used to organize and display information in a compact way. Accordions consist of expandable sections or panels that allow users to click and reveal or hide content. When a section is clicked, it opens to show detailed information while other sections remain collapsed. Accordions are used in web page topics to organize content, providing a cleaner and more streamlined interactive experience in Lamaku. They help break up information, reducing cognitive load for students as they review content. When you are editing a web page, accordions can be accessed using the Accordions document template. Selecting the template will bring up a list of accordions, ranging from an accordion with 1 panel to an accordion with 6 panels. If you plan to create a web page that uses accordions, create the page with the Accordions document template instead of copying and pasting accordions onto other document templates to make the process easier. If you need to copy and paste an accordion template, follow the instructions on where to start and stop highlighting the accordion content for copying. From the Accordions document template, decide how many panels you need to display your information. In the example, I am deciding to use a group of 3 panels. The sections in white that are labeled Accordion Number of Number are the panel titles that users will click on. The sections in gray will contain your content and will expand when users click on the panel titles. When editing the content area of the panel, you can use the Insert Stuff tool to embed media elements like images and videos into the panel. If I click on the apple title, the accordion expands to reveal the content about apples. If I click on the oranges title, the oranges panel will open. Notice that each of these accordion sections contain text and media content, such as an image or an embedded YouTube video. Accordion panels will remain open unless you select their titles again to collapse them. Accordions will always start out collapsed and will return to their collapsed state every time you or your students visit a web page. Checklists. Checklists in Lamaku serve as a tool to help students keep track of tasks, assignments, and important milestones within a course. They are topics and cannot be embedded in web pages. In this example, I will be creating a module checklist to provide an overview of the module's deliverables. After navigating to the module I want the checklist to be in, I will select Upload/Create and New Checklist from the drop-down menu. I'm going to give the checklist a title. I can include instructions, but they are optional. Because I want my students to see this checklist, I'll uncheck Hide from Users. Then I will select Save. On this page, I will configure my list and add new tasks. You will see List 1 and an option underneath it to add a new list. Think of these lists as categories. You can have a list for reading or viewing activities and then create a new list for assignments. It is possible to have multiple lists on the same checklist, but for this example, I will stick to one list. I am going to rename this list after the checklist itself. To add individual tasks, select Add a New Task to the checklist. I can select Task 1 to write a brief task statement, such as Complete Reflection Assignment. If the task has a due date, I can also select Add Due Date to add a date to the list item. In the description field, you can add more details about the task, and something I like to do is use the Insert Quicklinks feature to add a link to a relevant content page or assessment that connects to the task. In this example, I'm going to add a quick link to the assignment itself, so students can go directly to the assignment page from the list. When I am done, I'll select Update. If I need to add another task, I can select Add a New Task to Checklist. Note that you cannot easily reorder tasks, so be mindful about the order in which you write them. If you need to delete a task item, select the X to the right of the task description. If you need to delete the entire list, select the trash icon to the right of the task title. Mahalo for watching.